Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me hope that you're all doing well. Always good to connect with you. So today I have another recipe for you. Very simple. I'm going to show you how to prepare a beet and chickpeas salad. I know it's summertime and sometimes you don't really want the heavy meal to eat. You want something light, something refreshing, something clean. So please stay tuned, watch the video to the end. All right, so first I'm preparing the beet. I have on my gloves here because you know the beet is rich in color and you don't want to mess up your manicure, all right? Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna peel this. I'm gonna roast it for about 15 to 20 minutes in the oven. So now that I'm finished peeling, I'm going to cut it in some small pieces, in cubes. And I'm protecting my board. Like I've said before, is that beet is quite rich in color. I don't want to stain up anything and mess up anything, all right? It's quite healthy to eat beets, guys. Quite healthy. So just like this. All right, so now that we finished cutting, I'm gonna put it on a baking sheet. Put it in the oven for about 15 or so minutes. Just to make sure that they are roasted. Just want to spread them out evenly. And I'm going to drizzle with a little bit of olive oil to avoid sticking. Alright, so you just pop this in the oven for about 15 minutes or so, and then I will come back to you, alright? So guys, while I wait for the beet to roast, I'm going to go ahead and prepare the dressing. So I have here 1 clove of garlic. We need that minced or pressed. All right. And I'm putting this in a mason jar. I want to make sure we get everything out. Alright, so I have my garlic. To this I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of olive oil. And this is lime juice or lemon juice. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. Alright, so I'm just going to let this sit for a moment. Put it one side. I'll come back to you. Next, I'm going to prepare the onion. And I'm using the red onion. I need it to be finely chopped. Now I'm using about a quarter of a medium red onion. You don't want it to be too overpowering. Just want it to have a nice kick to it. Let me know how you're enjoying the video so far. And you can go ahead and support the channel by hitting the subscribe button. It's absolutely free. So just go ahead and hit the subscribe button and become a part of the MDTV family, all right? That's all I'm asking you to do. Subscribe, like, and also share it with your friends and your families. Let them know about the MDTV family. See, very simple. This is how you support me as I share these recipes with you. All right, so I'll just put this aside. I also have some fresh parsley from my garden. Let's go ahead and cut it up. All right. So let's get back to the dressing now. I'm going to add a pinch of black pepper, not a lot, and also a pinch of salt. This is optional for you. All right. Just gonna cover, and then you just get your muscles to work. All right. So this is how you make your own dressing at home. Let's see it together. Looking real good. Awesome. All right. All right, so let me go ahead now and prepare the chickpeas. I'm using the one in the can. All right. So I'm just gonna go ahead and throw away the preservative and wash it a bit. Okay, folks, so this is our roasted beet. So we're just gonna put that in a bowl, and we just want to combine everything. Just go ahead and add in your chickpeas. I'm not using everything. Add your parsley, a little at a time, and you just stir. Wow. Beautiful. Add a bit of onion. All right, guys, so it's looking good already. And then we can just drizzle a little bit of the dressing over it. Smelling real good. And there you have it, your beet and chickpeas salad. You can, if you so desire, it's optional. You can just put a piece of feta cheese over it, or in it, rather, sorry. Yes. If you're a vegetarian, then you don't have to do this. But this just kick it up a notch. All right, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. We've come to the end of this video. Let me hope that you have enjoyed it and enjoy your chickpeas and beet salad. All right? Stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and also share it with your family and your friends. All right?